Hey there, fellow skateboard enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we uncover the best products on the market so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of skateboard bearings, specifically the KVENI Ceramic Skateboard Bearings. If you're on the hunt for the best bearings for your cruiser board, you've come to the right place.
Introducing the KVENI Ceramic Skateboard Bearings, the ultimate upgrade for your cruiser board. These bearings are designed to deliver unparalleled performance, giving you a smoother, faster, and more enjoyable ride every time. Crafted from premium chrome steel and featuring ceramic balls,
these bearings meet international ABEC standards, ensuring high quality, speed, and low friction for an unbeatable ride.
You can trust in the precision fitment of these bearings. With a size of 608 rupees in dimensions of 22 mm by 7 mm by 8 mm. Plus, with 8 bearings in a pack, you'll have everything you need to upgrade your entire setup.
Whether you're cruising down the boardwalk or hitting the skate park, these bearings are versatile enough to handle it all.
From cruiser boards to longboards, inline skates to fidget spinners,
the KVENI Ceramic Skateboard Bearings will elevate your ride to the next level. These waterproof seals not only protect the bearings from dirt and debris but also add a pop of style to your setup.
Plus, they're easy to disassemble and clean, ensuring your bearings stay in top condition.
With pre-lubrication using racing lubricant, these bearings are ready to hit the streets straight out of the box. They're designed to withstand the rigors of skateboarding, providing long-lasting performance that you can rely on.
With overwhelmingly positive reviews from skaters around the globe,
it's clear that the KVENI Ceramic Skateboard Bearings are a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their ride.
So there you have it, folks. If you want the best bearings for your cruiser board, look no further than the KVENI Ceramic Skateboard Bearings. With their high-quality construction, precision fitment, and unbeatable performance, they're sure to take your skate game to new heights.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and happy skating!